Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is all about bags and so many bags, and today I am also giving away a lot of bags to you guys. Actually, in this video there will be 5 giveaways, like 5 bag giveaways, so 5 of you can actually win the bags. I have a lot of bags in here to show you guys. So very simple rules before I begin the video. You just have to be a part of this beautiful family. Be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram so that you get updates about my giveaways. And as I mentioned in the last video, there will be giveaways every single month till December 2024. And who knows, I might take it forward. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. So let's quickly get started. I'm very excited to do this video. And this video is going to be long because I have a lot of bags. Like, I got all of these bags from a place called Nabi Kareem in Delhi. Apparently they sell really affordable bags, and they procure their bags from China, and these are pretty affordable bags. Like, the starting price would be around 600 rupees and stops at 1100 rupees, and these are pretty good quality bags. The only con that I feel is that most of these are actually knockoffs or pirated versions of really high-end bags. Now, in this video, a little disclaimer: I am not promoting piracy. I'm not promoting copied products. It's just that when I went to Nabi Kareem to look for bags, these are the bags that I thought were really good quality-wise, design-wise, even though some of them I did recognize that were copies, but then I couldn't really manage because the market is flooded with a lot of these kind of bags. So let's start with this bag. I really appreciate the packaging because all the bags came in dust bags, and dust bags actually improves and increases the longevity of the bags. The first bag is this one. It's a huge tote bag. It's a black color tote bag, which I really like because the best part is that it is kind of very spacious. It is sort of structured from the bottom, but you can fill in a lot of stuff, and depending on how much you fill it, it's going to acquire that shape. It is beautiful with this gold detailing here on the sides. The back has a pocket, which is very good. I love bags that are spacious and has back pockets. It has a lot of compartments inside the bag as well. First of all, I'm glad that they do give a zipper on top, which makes everything convenient. A really nice zipper compartment at the back, which is like super deep. Then this is the main middle compartment, which is like you can stuff it with a lot of stuff, like, can you see? And then this is another compartment. So they're like 3 compartments, 2 zipper bags, and then 2 slide-in compartments. So that makes this bag really nice. When I saw it, I just wanted to grab all the colors, but I thought black is basic. It goes with everything, and it also comes with a sling. So that makes it super convenient. You can kind of wear it as a sling or a crossbody. You can also carry it, like a shoulder bag. It just is so comfortable. So in this video, you will also be seeing colors of this bag, which I'll show you, but I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just picking the things from this huge bag and showing you guys. The next bag, luckily, is the same bag in a brown color. This is what it looks like. I think I really like this color, brown, as opposed to black color. Black is also very good, but brown is also great. It is a similar bag, nothing different there, but it is so beautiful, guys. And I think this was for under 1,000 rupees, so it's really good, and the quality is very nice. It's a different style of tote bag, and this is what it looks like. I think I was drawn to this one more. This is a beautiful wine color. And even though it is a tote style bag, the best part, as I told you guys, is the zipper on top. And this is like really good. This is like really good. It's more like, I don't know what you call it. But it's beautiful. I love the stitch detailing over here. Yeah, it has a stitch detailing on the side. It has buckles over here, which looks really nice. It is kind of in a metallic black color, the hardware, and the back looks like this. Again, there's a pocket. Inside you have a zipper compartment. फिर इसके अंदर एक zipper compartment है जिसको आप खोल के काफी कुछ important stuff रख सकते हैं. Like, if I were to carry this bag, I'll use this main zip compartment as my makeup bag or makeup pouch because it is big enough to hold everything essential which will not fall off. और बाहर के compartments में you can keep your iPad, your book, or whatever is required. It's like this bag is pretty good, big enough, decent, and looks so luxe and good quality. Love this bag too bit. So let me know what you think about it. Moving on to this fun and quirky bag. It is a beautiful, fun, quirky bag for Sunday brunches, for afternoons, hangouts, and for Saturdays and Sundays and weekends. It's not really a formal bag, but it is very spacious. Like, it is bag on both sides, so you can carry it both ways. You can also kind of carry it like this, which is really nice and chic. So it has a lot of prints and everything that says oops, and it has bags have feelings too. I believe in that, yes, and everything, It's beautiful. And then when you open it, it's a pretty structured bag, but then it has a lot of space in it. When I open it, there is, of course, the sling that comes along with it because you can carry it crossbody as well. This is the space that you get, which I think will carry my phone. This is the phone. This is a 6.7-inch phone with a chunky case on it, and it's going to fit that. The other side looks like this, where you can carry a lot of stuff. This thing, it's a very beautiful bag to gift to somebody, and I love the gold detailing and everything. It's pretty good quality, and it's a very, very solid bag. Like the next bag is this one, and of course you will recognize that this is, I think, a copy of a Coach bag. Yes, but it is so good quality. I'm pretty sure you can see it across the camera that the quality is super nice. There is not a single wrinkle on the bag. The quality is very good. I think this one was for around 700 something, but you can carry it as a clutch. You can carry it sling because it comes with a long sling strap, but I think it also comes with a shoulder length strap, so you can carry it as a shoulder bag as well. It's pretty versatile, you know, and this is what it looks like. And I was so fascinated. Generally, I do not like small bags because I don't see the purpose of carrying small bags because I carry so much stuff. But sometimes you really need small bags. But you know, for a small bag, it has a lot of space. The best part, again, a zip. I always prefer a zip. And then inside of it, wait, let me take that out. Inside of it, we have, as I mentioned, there are two straps. So the strap is a longer strap for the sling, and the second strap is actually the, you know, smaller shoulder strap, so you can carry it however you want to. However, this is adjustable, but then I really like the detailing. So it has, you know, a sort of, it's kind of packed. So I don't want to open it because I will be giving this bag in a giveaway for sure. So you can just, you know, clasp this and you can, I'll show you one. Okay, this is what it looks like basically. So this is not a blue thing. It's just, you know, this is a lock, like a faux lock, but kind of wrapped in a blue poly thing so that it is safe. But this is what it looks like, so that you can carry it like this. It's beautiful, guys. It's such a chic number that I'm so proud of it. And I got a lot of colors in this one. Okay, so what I was saying was, inside of it, we do not get any zipper compartment. But then again, for reference, it will carry a chunky phone and it will carry a lot of stuff. Like, it's big enough. It has room enough for keys, lipstick, makeup, and everything. So yes, that is a very, very nice bag. And I'm so proud of this bag. And I got, I think, 2 more colors. Like every style has 3 bags. Moving on to another big size bag, which is this one. So this is the same bag as this one. It's just in a different color. This is a mustard yellow color. I think one of my most favorite colors in bags. Yes, I love this, you know, mustard yellow color. It looks droopy and dull right now, but it is not stuffed. Just keep that in mind. But otherwise, it's a beautiful bag. Look at the quality of this bag, guys. It's amazing. So inside of it, a lot of space. And this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. So I've already spoken a lot about this style, but I think I really like the stitching detailing. And it's very comfortable and it's perfect for a big long day. Next bag that I have is this one. Now, when I think about it, I don't know why I got it, but it is, I mean, this color, it's a bluish gray color. It has this quilted, textured, stitched detailing on top. The back looks like this, and yeah, it has a lot of chunky chains and fancy zipper. I like tassel-y bits like on bags, but you can also remove it if you don't like it. Like sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't like it. The best part about this bag, why I was drawn towards it, look at the number of zipper compartments. 1, 2, 3 and 4. They're like 4 zipper compartments. Pीछे का तो zipper compartment ठीक है, सबको पता है. It comes with a handle and of course it has a sling strap to it. First compartment, so much space. Then you have the second compartment. I think this is the main compartment. You have this sling strap which you can attach, and this main compartment is like super spacious, like very, very spacious. I'm not even joking how spacious this is. And then this is the back compartment. Yeah, so this is a very spacious bag, and that is the reason why I was so drawn towards this one. And yes, this is a very convenient way to hold a bag, but the best would be to actually wear it crossbody, this size of a bag. It's more like a camera bag. What do you say? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So of course I will be having colors in this one as well. Moving on to another bag which I really liked, and I know it is a knockoff of a big brand, and I've seen these kind of bags on Myntra and everywhere. Like, it is kind of little droopy, guys, because under filling stuffing nahi hai, but this is what it looks like. I love this black and white checkered bag. It's so beautiful. Again, you can carry it like this. I love the overall texture of the bag. I love how beautiful the shape of the bag is, you know. When I open it, again, it comes with a zipper, which is a plus, of course. And then it comes with this strap, which I really like. Of late, I'm really liking these wide, you know, belt-like straps. It is a belt only, but like school belt-like straps. Matlab, I remember, मेरा school belt इतना ही wide होता था जब मैं school में थी. So I love this belt. It is very, very good quality, and this actually enhances the look of the bag. And then inside of it, you have a lot of space. It also comes with a scarf. No, a ribbon. It's not a scarf. So you can actually, you know, tie it. I think it was tied over here. When I went to purchase this bag, it was tied like this. I'll show you, wait. So when I went to purchase this bag, this was tied in a bow like this over here. So it gave it a very, very chic lady-like look. And I was immensely drawn towards this one. This is what it looks like. And with this strap, I think this bag is so, so beautiful. And inside of it, you have a zipper compartment, a middle zipper compartment as well. And that is all about it. But it has a lot of space, like a lot of space inside of it. And you can carry a lot of stuff. I think this side zipper is only for show purpose. Other than that, you really would not require more space in a bag of this size, because it actually is very spacious. I can carry a lot of things in this one. I can go through my entire day carrying stuff in this bag. It is very spacious, and the best plus part is this strap, because I really like this strap of the bag. Let me know what you think about it, because it's black and white. Of course, it's gonna go with everything. So yes, I love this bag a lot. Moving on to another one. I love all the bags, okay? So please don't mind ki har bag ko I say I love this bag a lot, because I have handpicked all of these bags by myself. So of course I loved it. That's why I paid so much money for it. Moving on to this one. Again, it's a beautiful number bag. We all have seen this bag everywhere, but I love the quality. Like, this is like all gold hardware, and it's like really good quality. I'm not even joking when I tell you guys that quality is something that I was actually drawn towards more than anything else. And then inside of it, a zipper compartment, पीछे का compartment, front में एक compartment, और कोई zipper compartment नहीं है. But the quality of zip is also good. Inside of this is this, and then you have this beautiful strap. Like, the quality of this strap is amazing. It's magnificent. It's something I would not have kind of, you know, ever imagined कि इस price range में for under 1000 आपको इतनी अच्छी quality के bags मिलेंगे. Look at that. So you can carry it like a shoulder bag, or you can elongate this chain and carry it as a crossbody bag. So it is beautiful. Then I got, you know, it similar style में black and white में I also got this print. इसमें भी it comes with a ribbon and a strap, which I think I will not take that out, but it has this, you know, ऐसे वाला clasp. It comes with this kind of a brown belt strap, which is kind of adjustable, and this also will give the bag a really nice chic look. And this also, I really love this bag. I love the print. This is the style of the bag that I really like. While this one has a zipper at the back, this one does not have a zipper at the back, but I love both these bags a lot. Moving on to another of this sort of a bag. I just showed you this bag, and it is a different color. This is black and I think gray or beige or something. So it's a similar style bag, but just in a different color. I prefer both the bags. So this is a very good quality bag, and I think it was for around 800 rupees per piece. And then I have another of this bag. I told you guys I was really drawn towards this one. I picked up in this print, which has some lettering and something on it, and it's a beautiful beige and a brown color. It also comes with a wide strap and a ribbon, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, I'll give you a close-up of every single bag, but the inside part as to kitne compartments hain aur kaisa hai andar se is exactly similar, you know, sari bags mein, but bahar se ye difference hai. This is what it looks like. This is brown and white. It is on a background of beige with some splashes of brown on it, so it's beautiful. Then another bag is this one, which again is is this. This is what it looks like. It is slightly deformed because it was sitting in the bag for a really long time, but it is going to get okay. Now inside of it, I'm not going to remove this plasticky part because I have to give this away. So I want to, you know, keep it like beautiful and fresh. It has this beautiful almost rose gold hardware, and inside of it again it comes with two different sizes of straps like the previous bag, a longer strap and a shoulder length strap, but this is more like a softer material and hence a little bit of you know, wilting. But it has a lot of compartment, like there's also a zipper compartment, and as I mentioned, I think there are two. Yes, there are two size straps, a sling and the shoulder strap. So this is what it looks like from inside, and I'm sure I have a lot of colors in this one as well, which I'll show you in a bit. Yes, this is the second color. So this is a beautiful beige color. Then I have this bag. This is the same bag. Yes, same bag in a black color. Beige, black and brown. These are three very beautiful neutral colors that I got. I think I really like this black one. It's very chic. I did show you guys this bag, which was a fun white bag. I got a similar black bag in the same style, this one. So while this is the beige and white bag, this is the black bag with a lot of prints. I did show you guys this grayish blue bag. I have a black version in this one, and I think I like the black one better than the grayish blue. This is a grayish blue bag, and this is the black version of the same bag. I think I like the black one better. It has a much, like, the feel and everything is same, but I think the silver detailing is really beautiful on this one, and black just stands out, and maybe I love the color black, so that's why. So I really like this bag, like how good the quality of everything is. Like, I can't imagine. Beautiful. In this checkered pattern, I have another color. This is a beautiful beige color, which I think I really like. This black and this beige. I think these are my really favorite style of bags. It is exactly similar inside. It's just that iske saath bhi ek ribbon aata hai with a, you know, sling strap. And other than that, everything is just the same. It's beautiful. So guys, those were all the bags that I had to show you. Let me know which is your favorite bag, and I'm very pumped up for this giveaway, and I hope that you participate in the giveaway. All that you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, and also in the comment section mention hashtag Sana giveaways. I will mention everything in the description box below. I'll also pin a comment about all the rules and everything. So if you've liked this video, guys, I would really appreciate that you like this video. Hit onto that thumbs up button. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and comment in the comment section below which is your favorite bag with hashtag Sana giveaways. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye guys. Mwah.